Hello, my name is Fiona, and I'm a certified teacher and a Praxis coach with Study.com. Are you planning to take the Family and Consumer Sciences test? This is test number 5122. Praxis 5122 is a multiple subject exam. This problem set covers the subtopic of textiles, fashion, and apparel. Let's review the types of questions you can expect to encounter on the exam. Let's get right into it. Problem number 1. Which of the following terms relates to standards of garment construction? Colorful, playful, durable, or woolen? Let's begin with woolen. This refers to the material or fabric type of the garment, not directly to the construction quality or standards. So we can cross that out. Now to colorful. This relates to the color or aesthetic appeal of a garment, not to its construction standards either. So that's not correct. Playful describes the style or theme of a garment, also unrelated to construction standards. So not the correct answer. Durable. This term directly relates to the quality and standards of garment construction, indicating how well a garment withstands wear and tear, which is a key aspect of its construction. Thus, durability is the only term among the options that specifically addresses the quality and robustness of garment construction, focusing on how long the garment lasts under normal use, which is a fundamental aspect of its construction standard. Problem number 2. Which is an example of a textile regulation that protects the consumer rather than the textile worker? For all textile goods coming into the United States from other countries, the country of origin must be labeled on the tag. Proper ventilation must be cleaned regularly at textile mills so the fabrics do not become contaminated. Earplugs must be provided at all textile mills. Or artificial fibers are the only fibers that the U.S. accepts as imports. So starting there, the U.S. does not restrict imports to artificial fibers. Natural fibers are also widely accepted and imported. So this is incorrect. Earplugs must be provided at all textile mills. This is clearly aimed at protecting workers from hearing damage due to loud machinery. This is a workplace safety regulation, not consumer protection. Proper ventilation must be cleaned regularly. This protects the quality of the fabric, but primarily ensures a safer working environment for the textile workers. Thus, it's more worker-focused as well. Finally, for all textile goods coming into the U.S. from other countries, the country of origin must be labeled on the tag. This regulation ensures transparency for consumers, allowing them to know where the products they purchase are made, which can influence buying decisions based on concerns over quality, ethics, and personal preference. So there's our correct answer. Problem number 3. The Richardsons are trying to become more ecologically friendly to help save the environment. Besides composting and buying an electric car, they want to start buying clothes that are made from materials that are more sustainable. Which fiber should they look for when buying clothes? Rayon, aluminum, hemp, or silk? Let's look at aluminum first. This is not applicable to clothing as it's a metal used in other types of products and not textiles. So we can cross that out. Rayon. Although derived from natural materials like wood pulp, rayon's manufacturing process is chemically intensive and often environmentally harmful due to the pollutants released. So this is not correct. Silk. While natural and biodegradable, silk production is less sustainable due to the intensive labor and resources required, including the high demand for water and the impact on silkworm populations. So we're left with hemp. Hemp is a highly sustainable choice as it requires very little water, no pesticides, and naturally enriches the soil it grows in. Hemp fibers are durable, breathable, and become softer with use. Problem number 4. Which of the following best describes the textile fabric hemp? A plant-based fiber that is soft, breathable, flexible, versatile, and inexpensive. It is often used to make bedding and clothing. While hemp can be versatile and breathable, it is more known for its durability rather than being soft or inexpensive. So we can cross that out. I'm going to skip to the bottom. A plant-based fiber that is durable, sustainable, and similar in texture to bamboo. It is often used to make rugs, twine, sacks, and carpets. Hemp is not typically compared to bamboo in texture and is used for more durable goods. So we can eliminate that as well. An animal-based fiber that is warm and can be easily dyed with various colors. It is often used to make hats, rugs, and blankets. Hemp is plant-based and not animal-based, so this is not correct. A plant-based fiber that is durable and insulating, made from the stem of a cannabis plant. It is often used to make warm clothing and shoes. So this is absolutely true. It's plant-based, derived from the cannabis plant. It's durable and insulating. Hemp fibers are known for their strength and insulating properties. So this is the correct answer. I trust I was able to clarify the types of questions you will find about the subtopic of textiles, fashion, and apparel for the Praxis 5122 Family and Consumer Sciences exam. Please remember to like and subscribe to this channel so that with Study.com's help, you will feel confident and prepared on exam day. Bye for now.